Hello, good afternoon. My name is Margarida Torres. I'm a partner in the immigration and real estate area of Prime Legal, and I'm here to clarify some doubts following the declarations of our Prime Minister about the amendments of the immigration law. So no one was expecting these declarations from our Prime Minister because the law was amended quite recently, and at this moment, the renewals of the Golden Visa were working very fast and very well because they are being automatic. But in fact, these declarations of our Prime Minister well, they arrive with a lot of surprise for all the people that are doing golden visas for so many years, brokers, people from funds, developers, lawyers, constructors. And at this moment, we are in the public discussion of the proposal of the law, and we will try to make some inputs and amendments in order to change any possible wording of the proposal of this law. So according to the declarations, the elimination regarding the golden visas is general for all the types of investment. It would not be possible to submit new applications, and in the case of exclusively real estate investments, will only be possible to renew the residence cards if they are the owner's own or permanent home or of his descendants, or if the property is placed on the rental market on a permanent basis no less than 5 years. It is important to underline that the government doesn't have legislative competence to approve changes to the Golden Visa program. The competent body is the Assembly of the Republic, which should then receive a proposal with the content of the measures announced above for voting. Now, there will be until 16th of March, a public hearing, followed by the final proposal to the Parliament for discussion on March 16, where it should take around 15 to 20 days for the final decision and wording of the new amendment of the law. After that, our president have three options: or to approve and publish the new law in the official journal, to refuse and send again to the Parliament for a new vote, or send the diploma to the Constitutional Court to see if there is any fundamental right that is being jeopardized. So at this moment, the program is running as usual. The law was not amended yet, so if you want to take the risk and make the golden visa, we suggest to do it right now, because if we submit the process online with the personal documents and investment documents, it's our opinion that it would be considered a pending process, which means that if the law changes, only will be changed for future cases, not for pending process. The ones that are waiting for pre-approvals or already collected the biometric data and are waiting for the final approval to be issued the residence card, we believe that will not be affected by the new amendments of the law or the new law, because they are considered pending process, and it's a matter of legal security and trust, because we live in a democracy, and according to the last amendments, they always gave a transition period, which we believe that will be at least until the end of this year, but of course it's only speculations, we are not sure about it, but it's normal that there will be always a transition period when a law is amended, and the pending process usually are not affected by the new law or new amendments of the law. Regarding the other options of investment, like investments in funds, nothing was said regarding this, so we believe that the renewals will be as usual. Nothing was said regarding citizenship, regarding NHR regime, neither permanent residency. Also, we are receiving some inquiries about buyback agreements, and nothing was said regarding this. So the buyback usually occurs after 5 years of the investment of the residents that the seller promises to buy back the property, and this is what is written in the contracts, and in principle it will be enforced, and nothing is related with the golden visa program itself. So it's in the contracts and the seller should comply with. During the 5 years, in order for the applicants to be able to renew the residence card, they need to keep the investment. I believe those are the main questions regarding touristic apartments. We don't know how it will work, the renewals, but doesn't make sense to put in the long-term rental market for habitation purposes, because the affection for this type of properties is for services or commercial purposes. So in principle, they will remain the same. So I believe that those are the main concerns of all the people that are willing to make the Golden Visa program or are already in the Golden Visa program. So if you have any more doubts, please send me an email and I will be happy to clarify. Thank you very much for your time. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.